Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the crochet basics, creating a magic ring. So first we would need any kind of yarn and a crochet hook. So today I'm taking a 3.5 mm crochet hook and the yarn. It's a 6-ply yarn. So first take the edge of the yarn . Like I said, it's a 3.5 mm crochet hook and UK size is 4. Take the edge of the yarn, take 2 or 3 fingers, wrap once and twice, forming an X over your fingers. So hold one edge of the yarn with your thumb and the second between the little finger and the ring finger. Hold it tight. Put your crochet hook between the X. Pull the yarn under the first line like so. So it forms a magic ring. So that is where you can pull the string to adjust as big as or as small as you want. And then once the magic ring is formed, we can either do chains, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and that's when you can adjust your ring. So that's the reason it is called a magic ring. So pull the edge and you can tighten the circle. Let me show that to you again. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like so, forming an X. Secure the yarn. Bring the yarn from under the first line to form a magic ring. So it's that simple, and this is a very basic crochet technique to use for n number of projects. So I hope you enjoyed learning this technique. See you guys, bye.